In this video, we're looking at the overhead extension using the kettlebell. The exercise targets the triceps, and it can be performed seated or standing with one arm or both. For the seated variation, start by sitting on a bench. Maintain a straight spine and tight core. Hold a kettlebell upside down by the horns behind your head at the upper back. Fully extend your arms so the kettlebell is overhead. Lower the kettlebell in a controlled manner to return to the starting position. Allow the elbows to flare out and keep your eyes forward. Exhale as you raise the kettlebell overhead and inhale as you lower it back to the starting position. To do the single arm variation of this exercise, hold a kettlebell in one hand by the handle. Flip the kettlebell over so it rests on your wrist, and use your opposite arm to hold your elbow in place to maintain a stationary position as you extend the kettlebell overhead. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Then turn off YouTube, go outside, and enjoy your day. When you come back, check out these other videos.